And welcome! Today we are talking about how to create super delicious, easy, healthy meals without spending a ton of time in the kitchen. Hi, my name is Sue Ann Hickey. I'm a certified naturopath and creator of Bodytypology, System for Lasting Weight Loss. Now, I know a lot of you are super busy moms. You don't have time to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen preparing all these long complicated meals, right? You need to keep it simple. And it is possible to make healthy, delicious meals, and I'm here to tell you how. Because often the challenge is we end up grabbing these processed, packaged, frozen meals, and they're really not good for us, right? They're high in salt, high in sugar, chemicals, and all kinds of processed foods. And I've even helped a ton of people that are vegetarian or vegan who have been trying to eat so-called healthy, but they end up filling their baskets and filling their shopping baskets and their homes with frozen lasagna and frozen veggie burgers and pseudo meats and fake bacon. And all these products were helping them gain a whole lot of weight. When I started teaching them how to cook a little bit easier from scratch, they drop the pounds easily. So here are some of my tips. Number one, when you're making breakfast in the morning, what I often do is throw on a pot of quinoa. Now, quinoa is super easy to cook. It takes 15 minutes. So by the time I'm finished breakfast, I just take the whole pot and put it right into the fridge to cool down. And then at lunch, I have a healthy grain that's ready. Number two thing to do is make a lot of your homemade beans. Like, this is the most economical kind of food you can eat. Chickpeas, lentils, lima beans, kidney beans, all these beans are super easy to cook. You just soak them overnight. In the morning, throw out the cooking water, and then let them simmer on the stove for about an hour and a half or so until they're soft. I usually do this on the weekend when I'm at home anyways. And now with COVID, most of us are working from home, so you're able to do this. And number two tip is really, really important, is make sure you have a really good timer or use your phone. This is what I use. Just make sure that you can hear it wherever you are in the house, because in the past I set off the fire alarm way too often, burning things to a crisp. So always use a timer when you're cooking things on the stove and you're going off in the other part of the house doing something different. Another tip I have for you is soups. Making soups is not hard. Throw everything into a pot and just let it simmer again on the stove until the veggies or whatever it is cooked. You can put it through the blender after. Make big batches, throw it into the freezer. So much better for you than canned foods. We have to get away from eating frozen and canned foods. Many women grab frozen vegetables. Yep, that might be easier because, you just put it in the microwave. But wait, when you're freezing things and microwaving them, you're losing a lot of the nutritional density of all those vitamins and minerals that are in our fresh vegetables. What's easy? Steamer basket, right? So how long does it take to take a couple of stalks of broccoli, put it in a pot with a little bit of water in a steamer basket, or green beans, or cauliflower, any of these vegetables, Swiss chard, delicious, easy, healthy, dark leafy greens in a steamer basket. They're ready in 5 minutes, the same amount of time it takes you to put them through the microwave, losing the nutrients, especially if they're frozen. Soup stock is another excellent way to help inflammation, help any osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, all kinds of healthy, delicious things in soup stock. So you simply take your bones, chicken bones or beef bones, in a pot, chunks of onion, carrot, celery, lots of water, put on the lid and let it simmer again for about 5 hours while you are at home on the weekend, or if you're working from home. The best, most nutritional thing you can do for your bones and joints is homemade soup stock. Don't buy the packaged boxed broths that are super high in salt and we don't know what else. Now, finally, for snacks, my favorite is trail mix and fruit. So these are super healthy, of course. Trail mix, I like to put in almonds, raisins, dried apricots, maybe walnuts, whatever you like, not the chocolate. Keep that in a big container and just take a small serving size anytime you want a healthy snack. This will satisfy you while filling you up with vitamins and minerals to keep you satisfied a long time. Now, I hope these tips help. By all means, check out my website, bodytypology.com, if you want to know more about how to work with me so I can help you drop the pounds that you want to. And I will also leave the link for my free training. It will be either above or below, or maybe in my bio, depending on which platform you're watching this in. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.